after COVID, people want a China plus one strategy. People don't want to be dependent on China anymore. If you have to replace a giant with a giant, then it has to be India. So that China plus one responsibility is now formally on India. What is Ambani into it? Why is Adani into it? And all of this is something that you have to do your own due diligence. You have to do a lot of business research. You know, I got down at Heathrow. From Heathrow, they took me to another base, which is a military base. From there, got me into another plane, got me to another area altogether. We were imagining you are smart people, you know how to do your business, you know your shit from shat, but what is happening? I mean, you are selling your business for what? No, you would have not fired 2,500 people. Right. And you would have paid all that money to Messi.
What are the dark and unspoken secrets about this industry that probably the outsiders don't have a clue about?
FDA biased है. बड़ी कंपनियों के सामने FDA खड़ा नहीं होता है. मैं आपको कुछ नाम दे दूंगा, which is going to be probably this is a big revelation. Yeah, my job as a sales guy is to be comfortable in situations which don't exist. One of the greatest assets that we have to hustle is sales. धंधे का टाइम आता है तो धंधे का टाइम आता है. The leadership style ये कहता है कि यार if you've decided you go for the kill. James Bond is good for movies, but in reality it doesn't work. The weird clients are always going to be Indians.
यहाँ पे एक चल रहा है यूनिकॉर्न सिंड्रोम. नाउ द इन्वेस्टर्स आर लुकिंग एट प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी rather than valuation. So what's your take on that?
And इंडिया में कट कॉपी पेस्ट बिजनेसेस बहुत है. People want to be growing at the cost of growing. ये सिर्फ इंडिया में ही होता है कि ये पहले फंड्स का बंदोबस्त कर लेते हैं, फिर सोचते हैं कि वड़ा पाव की दुकान खोलनी है कि यार अपने को चाय खोलना है.
There is a lot of emphasis on what is natural, what is organic when it comes to all these personal care products and all. How much of this is like a marketing manipulation versus reality? Like, you know, how does
90% of it is marketing. One thing very good that Food Farmer is doing that, you know, he's challenging the status quo.
जो पड़ेगा इंडिया तो पड़ेगा.
हाँ, लेवल पड़ेगा इंडिया तो पड़ेगा. हमको
very big statement.
Yes, it's a big statement.
I think I have a very nice idea. This one thing, my answers are gonna make people bang me bad. We will use it before everything.
They
We
assume
have to edit this, yeah.